Hello students, I am again here with a new NEET question. Okay, let us see what is the question. What can be the possible blood groups of progeny whose father and mother are of A and B group respectively? Okay, so what is given in the question? That there's a father whose blood group is A and a mother whose blood group is B. Then what will be the possible blood groups or of the progenies? Okay, what will be the blood group of the progeny? So we all know that there are commonly four types of blood groups: A, B, AB, and O group. Okay, and these blood groups are controlled by a gene which has three different alleles. Okay, this is a case of multiple allele, and the allele are represented by IA, IB, and I0. Okay, now, if the father's blood group is A, then what will be the allelic combination? Because out of these three alleles, only two alleles can be present. Okay, so what are the allelic combinations for the father? Okay, suppose this is father and his blood group is A. So the allelic combination may be IAIA or IAI0. Okay, in both the cases, the blood group will be A because A is dominant over O. In case of mother whose blood group is B, so what are the allelic combinations possible? IB, IB or IB, I0. Okay. Why this is possible? Because B is dominant over O. So in this case, IB, I0, the blood group will be B. Now, what will be the blood groups in progeny? Okay, if the father is of this IAIA and the mother is of IBIB, then the blood group of the progeny will be AB. Okay, but if the father's allelic combination for the blood group is like this IAI0 and mothers of IBIB, then the progeny's blood group may be AB or it can be B. Okay. Now, suppose if these two are the allelic combinations, father's allelic combination for the blood group is IAI0 and mother's for allelic combination is IBI0. So, in this case, what will happen? Okay, let us see. This is the allelic combination, okay, for the blood group of the father, and this is for the mother. So in this case, the possible blood groups of the progenies are, this is IAIB early combination, then it can be IA I0 combination, it can be IBI0 combination, it can be I0 combination. Okay, these are the possible allelic combinations if the allelic combination of the father and mother are like this. This is father and this is the mother, and this is for the progenies. Okay, IAIB, it leads to blood group AB. IAI0 will give blood group A. IBI0 will give blood group B, and I0 will give blood group 0 or O group. Okay, so all the four types of blood groups are possible in the progenies. We can see from here all the four types of blood groups are possible. So now see the options. What are the options? Option A, option 1, A and B only. No, A and B not. Okay, only AB only. No, AB only AB blood group is possible when the early combinations are like this. If the father is IAIA and mother is IBIB, then only AB blood group is possible. But it is not given so. Only given that the blood group of father is A. So LE combination may be like this. This is also possible for A blood group. This is possible for B blood group. So if we take these two LE combinations, we are getting 4 different types of blood groups in the progeries. So your option 4 will be the correct answer or correct option, because all the 4 blood groups are possible in the progenies, that is AB, and O. Okay, I think you have understood all this. Thank you.